In the video I have for y'all today, I had a customer complaining that his heater would just run, and that the air conditioning didn't work. I've already put all the video together and it's well over an hour, so I'm gonna try to cut it down and make it into something presentable. And at the end, I'm gonna show you something that I saw today. Maybe you'll like this. So stay tuned. Let's see if all right, it is not hot up here. Remember how it was smoking hot outside? It's warm, but it ain't nothing like it was outside. Maybe it's just on low speed. I cannot see that. Oh, that looks like it's going to be an X13. But like I said, I can't see it. Oh, yeah. High superheat, low suction. It's warm enough in there to have a higher suction. So high superheat, really low subcooling. That tells me it's low on refrigerant. You'll see where I'm picking that up. Right there. In fact, I think I need to change my tip. Days later, and I'm back on this one to possibly change that evaporator coil. I was really worried about this being clogged when I got a filter right here. So sometimes if there's acid in the system, it can tear apart this filter and clog up the metering device in front of it, excuse me, behind it. So that's what I think is happening, or may be happening. So I'm gonna check for that before. I'm gonna do an acid test, and I'm gonna open that up and see what's in it. I hope I've still got the footage of when I diagnosed this. All right, let's break open that that piston and see what's in it. It was really loose. That looks all right. There's nothing in it. Maybe it was, I don't know, maybe it was just completely out of Freon. Yeah, that's open. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and put it back together. All right, let's put that back the way it was. Like I said, this thing was just barely. I mean, when I broke it loose with my wrench, it was just, it wasn't tight at all. All right, let's go inside, and first I gotta get some nitrogen flowing, and then we'll replace that evaporator. Cool. All right, I'm going to, I did unsolder these because I'm not sure I have that fitting, and it just happened to be easy. So that's so it's disconnected. We got to pull this out and then mount the new coil on this pan. There's a little lip down here. You got to get it above that. I'm gonna take this door off. Things that need to come off of this coil that go on to the next. This is sometimes supplied, a new one, and this is sometimes supplied as a new one. All right, we gotta take these out. Now before I do that other one, there is a screw right there that needs to come out. And there's one on the other side as well. Y'all can't hardly see it, but it's right there. There have been times I've had to break the pan because I can't get that out. That's just turning. All right. Whew. I think I'm gonna take that outside and try to clean it up some. All right, I get this out in the sunlight. Y'all can see all these oil spots all up and down here and around this. Whew. So yeah, we're doing the right thing by replacing this coil. That down there looks like it's in rough shape. So the only extra piece that was supplied was this one. The rest of all that we took off, we're fixing to have to reuse. There's a little, if y'all see this little piece right here, it's got to line up with that hole. All right, I'm fixing to set that in place, and we're going to put some of the other pieces on it. So that is another piece that was supplied. We just got to pull this screw out and put this on it. All right, we don't necessarily have to put these screws in. I'm gonna try to get at least one of them in there. All right, we need to put this under here. And we have one screw that goes up in here. I'm fixing to put some panels back on. Obviously, you gotta put this one on before you can solder it up. So that's what I'm fixing to do. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna inspect it real quick. All right, I need to go outside and do the dryer, and then we'll pull a vacuum, come back up here and finish all this. My dryer in. Stop this nitrogen real quick and close this up. Let's seems like we're holding at about 217. All right, let's go inside and check those. I may pull that Schrader too, just to change it. 217.0. Let's go inside. Yes, I put I left a piston in here instead of putting the TXV in. Just one less thing to go wrong. Alright, I don't know if y'all had seen this, but that drain looks like crap. I'm gonna put some algae tablets in here and maybe blow it out. Jump. I'm gonna use my cheater and jump right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap this up. I got my ballast open a little bit. I'm going to, all right, I'm already reading about 2,000 microns, so I'm gonna close that down. I'm going to hit up in the attic and I got a little head rush. I'm gonna hit up in the attic and tighten all that up and finish. And I'm fixing to come back out here and tend to this. All right, I'm gonna put all this back together the way it was. I'm gonna put those in there. Break these up and put them in here. All of that is put back together. I think there's a, yep. That was down here. All of my trash. We're done up here. I don't know if y'all have dealt with this, but I'm having some leakage through my valve, preventing me from getting into a deep vacuum. I've got it calling inside for heat. First I'm going to replace this sprayer. Come on. Both of these now have a piston. So hold on just a second. I am not getting any reading here. Let me see if I can get this on there. Turn this where I can get a report on it. All right, let's let it run in heat. Let's see if we can't should get some pressure now. All right, as you see, I cannot charge using true suction. I've even got the Schrader removed and nothing. So I'm gonna have to go back to running it in cool and try again. We are still running in cool. I got 191 head pressure, 91 suction, which is 27 degrees. It's like 60, I think I said 66 inside, so that may be close to normal. So let's right now, let's check this head pressure. Did swap back over to putting my head pressure over here. As you see, I'm stabilized around 317, 318. My hot gas is at 151 degrees. So I'm pretty much done here. All right, that's it for that video. And like I promised, I'm gonna show you something that I saw today. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you know what kind of car that was, leave it in the comments. I know what it was, only because I was able to read the back of it. I'm not familiar with those, but thanks for watching.